It's always been a tricky job to pick the best gaming components, especially when it comes to gaming headphones. Already you would have invested thousands of dollars on your build. Now all that is left is to choose a gaming headphone that can deliver decent performance and comfortness with just few bucks. In the hurry to find your new headset, there are a lot of possibilities that you might overlook this brand. Zebronics. It has always been the underdog of budget electronics. As a part of the gaming builds, they have come out with a stunning gaming headphone, the Zebronics Ironhead Pro. Its 7.1 surround sound is just the tip of the iceberg. The Ironhead Pro is a well-built headphones that boasts excellent sound quality with rigid build materials. Talking about the design, the Ironhead Pro looks kind of chunkier, but weighs way lesser than most of the other gaming headphones. The speakers are covered with fully padded ear cups and has a 3-meter long braided cable with a USB connector. The USB connection is majorly to take advantage of the simulated 7.1 surround sound. The Ironhead Pro comes with only in dominant black and red color stripe. Although a matte finish instead of the glossy casing would have made the device look way cooler. The Ironhead Pro comes with retractable mic with wide frequency response. Though the quality of the mic isn't that impressive, because it does take a lot of external unwanted noise. This is somewhere that Zebronics could have worked on. Further down the midway, the device offers a port control, and at the center, there's a cool red light that glows when connected. The control port is well designed and comes with volume adjustment and mic mute controls. The ear cups are extremely soft and also has the Zebronics Sound Monster logo on the sides. The ear cups play a major role in cutting down the unwanted external noise to give focused audio experience. But unfortunately, the foam also stops the ventilation so that after few minutes of usage, your ears will start sweating. This is one major issue in most of the headphones that focus on eliminating external noise. Apart from design, it's arguably even more impressive when it comes to music and gaming. It has amazing balance between bass and treble, with equal preference of music and vocals. It offers such an amazing experience while gaming, with clear audio of realizing the opponent's steps and even the gunfires that happens lanes apart. Usually headphones with impedance level of 25 ohms can offer high quality audio even with less input power. But fortunately, the Ironhead Pro offers 32 ohms with perfect audio output. Although it's not completely noise cancellation, it still gets the job done by almost eliminating 85% of external noise. The only down factor is that the device isn't wireless. If you're interested in the audio experience rather than glowing LEDs and programmable keys, then the Ironhead Pro is definitely a great choice. Either way, thanks for watching. Yours truly Droid Sector, ours truly this life.